Hello. Today, stop that. It's so annoying. Today we're going to be learning how to make DIY spyglasses. I think I look hot. What about you? Comment down below. First, you're going to need a pair of sunglasses. I could get a pair like this at Dollar Tree, but my assistant over here, Ryan with a B-I, decided to get these probably at some expensive store. But we're just going to ruin them anyways. So next you're going to need some sort of like pen or something, because when you're a spy, you need to be official. So we've got this small pen here. Take the cap off. And then get some handy dandy duct tape. So don't worry, your glasses won't be ruined.
I don't want to stop you right now, but I think I should.
You should.
Oh, shit.
Then you're going to rip.
Can you just make these double spyglasses. Could you just make these double spyglasses?
He doesn't want his precious glasses. How much were those? Where do you buy stupid glasses like that? Honestly? Okay.
Okay.
Next, you're going to tape Brian's mouth shut.
Oh, that's
probably going to be the most helpful thing in this tutorial.
probably a good idea.
Alright, got your scissors. You're going to cut a nice snippy snip off. Okay, got it. So now, you're going to take your pen, I got this cute little small one, probably at like Dollar Tree or somewhere, I don't know where he bought it. And you're going to hold it there. Can I have my assistant come here?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I want you to hold the glasses with the pen right there. It might be easier if you have someone help you. I have my great assistant, Ryan with a B-I. And then you're going to take it and get your tape on there. And then wrap it around the edge. And then wrap it around on the top. So now just press it down, and you kind of want to pack it so it doesn't like slip off, you know. So there you go. You have your DIY spyglasses. Double spy, because it's real cool. And then, as you see, this one was made in a previous video that we did not post by another child. And it has a lighting feature, which I think is broken.
It used to do stuff.
But yeah, it used to be a black light. I was just informed.
Hey, we should do a black light video.
I think this is a really great look. I think it's great for summertime when you want to go spy on those children from school that you don't know what they're doing. You'll be like, hey, what's Ryan with a B-I doing today? So then you could just like spy on him. Perfect. Okay. Now we're going to add the last piece. I'm going to cut a little piece of tape off. Oh.
Holy cow.
I have fans staring at me. And then you're going to get a marker. This one's just a black marker. And you're going to write Super Spy. Okay. It just gives it like, shut up. It gives it like another touch of like glamour. You're going to add it right there, right? And the little nose piece. And you can just wrap it so it's secured. Because, you know, everything needs to be secured when you're spying, or else you're going to like fail and then kill yourself accidentally. There you go. You got your super spy glasses. Looking good. You can't tell, but I'm winking at you right now. Okay, I will see you next time on DIY Slay with Sarah. Bye.